Have you ever felt like a woman around you might be into you, but she never actually says anything about it? That strange in-between feeling, not sure if it's real or just in your head. Yeah, that happens a lot. Here's what most people don't realize. Women usually don't say attraction out loud. They don't label it. They show it in quiet ways. And if you're not paying attention, those signals just slide past. In this video, we're breaking down behaviors that often point to hidden interest. Not big gestures, not obvious flirting, just small moments. She might not even notice herself. From the way she looks at you to how she acts when nobody else is around, these details start adding up. And once you see them, it's hard to miss them again. We're going to cover 5 signs that psychologists consistently connect to attraction. No guessing, no hype. Just patterns that show up again and again in real life. Pause for a second and think about this. Attraction isn't only words. It shows up in movement, in timing, in energy, in tiny behaviors that say more than compliments ever do. Each sign alone might feel small, almost meaningless, but together they tell you a lot. By the end of this video, you'll probably start noticing things you used to overlook, and interactions will feel clearer, less confusing. Before we jump in, quick reminder, if you're new here, like the video and subscribe. Most viewers aren't subscribed and it really helps the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. All right, let's start. Number 1, eye contact that lingers. Have you noticed her keeping eye contact with you just a bit longer than normal? Not staring, just not breaking it right away. That's rarely random. Eye contact is one of the strongest non-verbal signals we have. When it lasts longer than usual, it creates connection without words. Research shows longer eye contact can increase feelings of closeness. Sometimes it's her way of checking if the interest goes both ways, almost like a silent question. There's also a natural response involved. When attraction is present, pupils can expand. Focus locks in on its own. So if her eyes stay on you longer than expected, it may not be planned. Her body could be reacting before she thinks about it. You'll often see this paired with other small signs: a soft smile, a slight tilt of the head, raised eyebrows. If you notice it, don't brush it off. Hold the look. Smile back. Let it build confidence. Sometimes her eyes say what she hasn't said yet. Number 2, light physical touch. Those little accidental touches usually aren't accidental. A quick brush on your arm, a playful bump, a tap when she laughs. Touch matters. Even small contact can build comfort and familiarity. Studies show light touch can trigger oxytocin, the bonding hormone. That's why it feels easy, relaxed. When she starts physical contact, it often means she feels safe with you, and safety and attraction usually show up together. Every small touch reduces distance. She's closing space without making it obvious. If you keep noticing this, pay attention. She may be expressing interest long before words appear. Number 3, small thoughtful actions. Attraction often shows up in details. Remembering something you mentioned once. Doing small things that feel personal. Playful gestures meant just for you. Psychologists link these behaviors to emotional investment. They show attention, care, presence. Even remembering a tiny detail about you builds closeness. It quietly says, "I see you." Don't ignore these moments. Small actions can carry big meaning. Number 4, conversations feel deeper. When attraction is present, conversation shifts. She doesn't stay stuck on surface talk. She asks real questions. She shares personal stories. She keeps things moving. These conversations create emotional connection. They're not just filling time, they build closeness. Research shows deeper conversations increase bonding. That's why she puts energy into them. Notice how she listens, her tone, how she guides topics toward personal ground. If she's clearly trying to keep the conversation going, that's not random, that's interest. Number 5, focused attention and respect. One of the strongest signs is how she treats you over time. Not just basic politeness, but real engagement. She listens carefully. She remembers details. She asks follow-up questions that show interest. This kind of attention often comes with attraction and admiration. Psychologists note that when interest grows, attentiveness usually grows too. If she consistently makes you feel valued, that matters. That's not just friendliness, that's focused interest. Those are 5 signs a woman may be quietly attracted to you. Attraction lives in small moments: a look, a touch, a simple action that isn't as small as it seems. The more you notice, the clearer things become, and clarity naturally builds confidence. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content on attraction, confidence, and self-growth. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.